Hi everyone. July is the time when we all start sowing seeds for fall crops, and most of our focus goes to brassicas. But today, we want to present these other 5 crops that also do surprisingly well for a nice fall harvest. Let's begin. Turnips were a big surprise for us last year. We sowed them in July and they seemed to struggle a lot. Honestly, we stopped paying attention to them and didn't expect anything, but when the weather started to cool down, the turnips picked up, and we had such a wonderful harvest in fall. Next crop is carrots. We are still sowing them. Last year, we got a surprise harvest in fall from the carrots that we sowed in June. So this year, we are trying to succession sow them. Crop number 3 is DAIKON radish. Are you starting to see the trend here? These are all root crops. We started to grow daikon radish in spring. They bolted too fast, but when we sowed some seeds in June, we harvested wonderful radishes later in the year. Crop number 4 is potatoes. We recently sowed a few containers and will sow some more this week. The trick with potatoes is you want to sow the early potatoes varieties as they would mature in 80 to 90 days, just in time for fall harvest. Crop number 5. Surprise, surprise. It's beets. Now we have not tried it ourselves, but after observing so many gardeners online, we are going to give this one a try this year. Number 6 is bulb fennel. We tried it in spring last year. It bolted for us. So this year we will try it in fall. Our observation is that the crops that bulb up do much better in fall, which is why we will do kohlrabi in fall as well. We will try to grow all of these crops along with brassicas and the leafy crops such as spinach, kale, lettuce, etc. If you found value in this video, please support our channel by liking it and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.